Many years ago, I made a video breaking down why I do not recommend using sea salt spray on your beard, but totally fine for your head hair. Well, this weekend I had a series of experiences that actually proved that video to still be true today. I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I think it's going to help understand kind of largely how beards work, but more specifically, how different the environment is for a beard with the skin underneath it and the hair itself as compared to our scalp and our head hair. Vastly different, and this was a perfect example. If that sounds like something you're interested in hearing about or could be helpful at any point, doesn't have to be right now, but any point in this video, if you could just remember to check that thumbs up to see if you liked the video, greatly appreciated. And my name's Dan. I love talking about beard stuff. So thank you guys one more time for checking out this video. So this weekend, my youngest sister got married. Awesome experience. And oftentimes I wear a hat pretty much every single day if I'm out throughout the day. If I'm home, I don't do much to my hair. Now, if I have an occasion where I want to, or I feel like it's appropriate to not wear a hat, I will style my head hair, and I do exclusively use sea salt spray. I don't like pomade, I don't like clay, I don't like the shiny look, I don't like the more like matte look from those products. Any of those things, it's just not for me. I love sea salt spray because it still looks natural, it's not going to be shiny. Also, I'm a heavy sweater, so if I have something like a pomade or oil-based or anything, it runs down my face, and I don't like that. So I use sea salt spray. The kind that I'm using right now is from Volt Life-Proof Grooming, and it's the best I've ever used. It's absolutely perfect. It's in my hair right now. I can adjust things. It doesn't leave residue on my hands. Absolutely, sea salt spray is for me. Well, with my sister getting married, I had a series of days where I used sea salt spray to style my hair more than I ever have back to back to back. We had the wedding day, we had the rehearsal dinner, the rehearsal like practice, and there was like, I don't know what you call it, just like a casual pre-wedding party where there was like, I don't know, hors d'oeuvres, whatever fancy word you want to put. This wasn't my wedding. And so I had 3 days in a row where I styled my head hair. And my biggest takeaway with using sea salt spray on my head hair was I loved the way it felt. I loved the way that it styled. But when I rinsed it out, my head hair was incredibly soft and felt very healthy. Now this messed with me. I'm like, why in the world does this feel amazing? And yet I'm telling people to not use this. Now the reason is salt is a dehydrator. And I don't want anything dehydrating in my beard. The reason why is we battle dry beards. We do everything we can to make sure our beard is hydrated, locking hydration in and nourishing our beard. So forever I've been telling people don't use this on your beard. I'm big on not being married to my ideas. I'm big on being able to say, hey, more information, more experience. I was wrong. Here's an update. Now, people will still throw mud and be like, you lied, you changed. So be it. I would rather be transparent and let people know the newest information when I have it available. So I'm starting to kind of go through it and I'm like, gosh, my hair feels amazing. It looks great. Why not the beard? And I knew the logic, but I said, you know what? I'm going to test it. Well, today's Monday when I'm filming this video. The wedding was on Saturday, the rehearsal on Friday, the pre-party on Thursday. So I had those days. Well, I got home yesterday, decided to test it. We had nothing to do except clean the house and organize and get ready for the day. So I did my normal routine. I did try 2 different ways. I first went with oil, let that settle, went through my normal routine, and then I used sea salt spray to kind of try and test to see if maybe that was just a styling agent. And then I took a shower midday and I tried it with no oil. I did shower at night and do my normal bed routine. Don't worry, you guys. And the conclusions, sea salt spray, even from beard product companies, are not for your beard. It did not feel good. I could literally not run my fingers through my beard on either situation. When I did oil first, it was better. However, once I rinsed it out, my beard didn't feel soft. It didn't feel better. And essentially, our head hair is producing so much more sebum oil. We have so many sebaceous glands up here as compared to down here. And what happens is our head hair gets greasy, right? We get oily head hair for most of us. And when you add salt, that dehydrator says, and it grabs that sebum oil and makes it kind of a solid. It allows me to style and keep it right there. And then when you rinse it away, your hair feels soft. That makes sense. On our beard, we don't have as much of that sebum oil, and it just didn't seem like it was grabbing beard oil in the same way. I don't know if it's because there was more beard oil or what. Regardless, it didn't have that same effect. It didn't allow my beard to move. My beard genuinely felt like a bird's nest, a brittle, like stack of hay. Not enjoyable. And it just kind of like, okay, the advice I've been giving for years is correct. Not a bad product. Love it for my head hair. The only thing I use for my head hair, but not for the beard. Even if you want a natural styling look, you want a matte look, this is not the way to go. If you don't want your beard shiny, use more of a thin viscosity oil and use heat. Both of those things are going to help out. If you do like the disco ball, you do like the shine, go for more of a thick viscosity oil, such as one that has castor first on the ingredient list. That could be an option. So down below, you guys, do you have any questions about this experience or my observations? Just sharing my journey here, hoping it can help you guys, or at least be a little bit of kind of mental food for thought, right? Where you're just like, oh, that is interesting, the differences, because I was on like kind of a whirlwind, and I'm glad with how it settled all around. Can't wait to read your comments, you guys. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Also, what do you use to style your head hair if you do? I've asked it before, but on a video like this, it makes sense. Thank you guys. Please stay bearded and stay positive.